Hi, my name is Chris Kelly, or my friends call me CK, and I'm speaking on behalf of Expert Village. I am a stuntman currently working out in the Hollywood area, and I'm going to give you some tips today. All right, we're going to talk today about a few basic tips with your motorcycles, whether you just bought one or you're just getting into riding. You want your safety equipment. Number one is your helmet. You want a good quality helmet. This helmet here, you want a helmet that'll fit you comfortably, provide good protection and good ventilation, because it's very difficult when you have a helmet that you're wearing and it gets very hot. You want to be comfortable, you want to be cool, you want a good helmet that fits you nice, and the way to know that the helmet fits you nice is you want a good snug fit on your head. When you're trying a helmet, you want to put it on your head. Make sure it's nice and tight and snug. And right here, in here, you can see it's pressing against my cheeks. You want that nice and snug so when you grab the helmet, it can't slop around in your head. And you also want it good front to back. It should fit nice and comfortable and snug, not be squeezing your head too much. If it's squeezing your head too much, it's going to be too tight. If it's too loose, it's going to want to move around on top of your head. So that's one basic tip about a good fitting motorcycle helmet. This is a basic full face helmet for street riding, and they do make the half face helmets, which I don't have here, which you see a lot of guys wearing that might ride more of a cruiser style bike. This helmet right here, this is strictly a motocross helmet or off-road riding. These helmets do not have a face shield. You wear goggles, and these helmets fit. You want to make sure that these are fit the same way. When it's on, nice and snug, pressed against your cheeks, nice good fit from the front to the back and in the top of your head. Now that's your basic first step in motorcycle safety, getting yourself a good comfortable helmet, because when you ride, you always should have your helmet on and you want to be comfortable and secure.